Hey everyone, I'm Akanksha.
I'm Ekta. We are from 6th Robotics and Automation Department at Rajarajeswari College of Engineering.
And honestly, this journey has been more than just classes and exams. From building robots from scratch to working on real-world automation problems, we have learned how ideas turn into actual working systems.
Whether it's AI, machine learning, embedded system, or industrial automation, we get hands-on experience in everything.
It's not about individual learning. Teamwork plays a huge role here.
We have participated in projects, competitions, and hackathons that pushed us to think beyond the textbooks.
If you are passionate about robotics, automation, and shaping the future,
this is the place where your ideas come to life.
join us at the Department of Robotics and Automation
At Rajarajeswari College of Engineering
and start building the future today.